Lilleberg the keep along the line. Cross corner, banks out for Kucherov. Entered tonight with 90 points among the NHL leaders. A wrister. Gordon from the score! Yanni Gordon, Oliver Bjorkstrand right on the doorstep. Bjorkstrand pokes it home in his lightning debut, and Tampa Bay leads.
Kucherov starts his play. He turns around. Owen Power here on the board. Twice. And then he delivers this to the net. Torrance fighting for position, and as Clifton turns to get the puck, Oliver Bjorkstrand is going to walk in from the back door and be able to tuck this loose puck